Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your creditworthiness with Upstart easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Upstart website or open the Upstart app. Locate the Get Started button and click on it. Create an account using your email address and a strong password. Once registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the Verify Your Creditworthiness section. Input your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your income details, including your employment status and monthly earnings. Upload any necessary financial documents as prompted. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Submit your information for an instant creditworthiness assessment. Wait for Upstart to process your application. Check your email for updates on your creditworthiness status. Once processed, log back into your Upstart account to view your results. Explore the loan options available based on your creditworthiness. If satisfied, select a loan and proceed with the application process. Sign the required documents to finalize your loan agreement. Keep track of your loan status and repayment schedule within your Upstart account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.